Welcome to the second part of our Amazon Kindle tutorial. As you can see, our paperback book from the first tutorial has been published successfully. Now, let's publish the ebook version of it. To create an ebook version, click the Create Kindle ebook button located right above the paperback listing. You'll be taken to the ebook details page. Your book title is already filled in, but you can edit it if necessary. If your book is part of a series, you can click Add to Series. But for now, we'll skip this. Author's name is also listed, and it's important to keep the author's name exactly as it is. Any changes here could conflict with the details embedded in the EPUB file, so make sure not to modify this section. Now, let's review the ebook description. Your book summary is still here from the main book. You can edit or keep it as it is. Select I own the copyright and hold necessary publishing rights. Since this is a children's book, we'll set the audience's minimum age to 1 year and maximum to 10 years, just like in the paperback version. Next, let's select the book categories. Choose children's ebooks as the main category, and then narrow it down to literature and fiction. Then choose chapter books from the right section and click on Save Categories. Let's use the same keywords as the paperback, such as children's book and friendship. When all the details are filled in, click Save and Continue. Now we're in the Kindle ebook content section. For the ebook, we'll be uploading the EPUB file you received from Bookimagic. Click Upload Manuscript and select the EPUB file from your computer. You don't need to upload any covers, as it is included in the EPUB file, so just skip this step. Like with the main book, you'll be asked if the book's text content is AI generated. Since I made edits to the Bookimagic generated story, I'll click No. Before moving forward, we need to preview the ebook. Click Launch Previewer to make sure everything looks perfect. This will allow us to check for any formatting or layout issues. Once you're satisfied, click Back in the top left corner. The ISBN of the ebook is optional. Just skip this step and click on Save and Continue. Now, let's go over the pricing and royalty options for your ebook. Amazon offers 2 royalty options. The 35% royalty option, available for all price points and territories, including when you price your ebook very low or even if it becomes free for a limited time. The 70% royalty option, which applies when your ebook is priced between $2.99 and $9.99. This gives you a higher profit margin per sale, but with specific conditions, like delivery fees based on file size. For our example, let's assume you want to offer your ebook for free to attract more readers and reviews. You can't set the price to $0 permanently on Amazon, but here's how you can do it temporarily. Go back to the top of the page and make sure you check the box labeled Enroll My Book in KDP Select. This program lets you run free promotions for up to 5 days within every 90-day enrollment period. While you can't make the book free permanently, you can price it low. Scroll down to the pricing section and select the 35% royalty option and set the price to $0.99. This will be the price of your ebook outside of promotion days. Once everything is set up, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Publish Your Kindle ebook. Your ebook will be published, and you can use KDP Select to offer it for free for up to 5 days at a time within each 90-day period. Amazon will now begin reviewing your ebook. This process can take up to 72 hours. You'll receive an email notification once the ebook is live on Amazon. And that's it! You've successfully published your Kindle ebook version. Thank you for following along, and as always, keep creating and bringing your stories to life with Bookimagic.